Kids, how are you today? We are going to draw and paint a bunch of grapes. Fantastic! It's one of my favourite fruits. How about you? Now it's really easy because all you need to do is draw loads of circles side by side. You can just draw freehand like we're doing here, or if you like, you could use, say, the bottom of a glass or a pot to trace around to get a perfect circle shape. So we keep layering these circles, these grapes, until we end up with a kind of lopsided upside down triangle shape. We're adding a stem and a leaf. And then we'll thicken up the border, nice thick black, and in between the grapes too, I think. This is going to make the colour of the grapes really stand out. That's it. Excellent. Ready to paint? We're going for purple. Of course, there are many different varieties of grapes. You can do whatever colour you like. We're doing a lovely purple, or otherwise known as black grapes. They are some of the sweetest varieties around. If you want to be really creative, you can do rainbow grapes. Make it interesting. So we're painting, but you can obviously use colouring pencils or pens or whatever you like. Here are some facts that I bet you didn't know about grapes. Grapes are actually berries. That's right. The word berry actually meant grape in Old English. Bet you didn't know that one. Grapes have been around for 65 million years. Can you believe that? Wow, that is a long time. People have been cultivating grapes for about 8,000 years. And guess what? There are 8,000 different varieties of grapes. Yep, I bet you just thought there was green, red and black, right? One serving of grapes provides 27% of your daily vitamin C. And you know what vitamin C is good for? Your immune system. It keeps you healthy and strong, stops you getting sick. So grapes are a very good addition to your diet. I definitely recommend you eat some. Just make sure that you cut them in half lengthways before you eat them, because grapes are also, unfortunately, very easy to choke on. Almost done? Finishing touches? Now let's do the stem. We'll do that brown. And a green leaf. Lovely contrast with the purple, don't you think? That's it. Carefully going inside all the black lines. Let's add a bit of shine. We're using white paint, just a little stroke on each grape. Makes them look all shiny. And there you have it. A bunch of grapes. Well done. Hey kids, we're going to show you how to draw a watermelon. Start by drawing a diagonal straight line and then a semicircle. We're going to do 2 more semicircles inside that one. 1 more. And now some little seeds. These are sort of teardrop shapes. Now we're going to thicken up the border. Brilliant! Time to colour in using a red pen, going very carefully around your tiny seeds. Go from side to side and just filling in the gaps along the border. No need to rush, take your time. We're using a pen, but you can use paint if you like, or a colouring pencil, even chalk, whatever takes your fancy. Almost there, you're doing really well. That's it, taking care. Last bit. And done! Woohoo! Finishing touches in that part. Right, time for some green in the next segment. That's right. Do you like watermelon? Me too. It's delicious, especially on a hot summer's day. It's really great for hydrating you, you know. We're using a dark green on the outside, so 2 different shades of the same colour here to give a lovely depth. That looks awesome, just like a real watermelon. Apart from being full of water, it's also very sweet and delicious and full of vitamins. Yep, it's super good for you. Colouring our seeds. And voila! Hey kids, let's draw and colour in an apple! Woohoo! It's kind of round with a little sort of heart shape at the top. Let's do a stem and a leaf. That's easy, isn't it? We're going to sit it on some stripes. Yes, a nice stripy background. That way we can add more colours. It kind of makes it interesting, don't you think? Right, what colour apple shall we do? Do you know what colour this is? It's one of the sweetest tasting apples around. Red! That's right! Well done. What colour shall we do the leaf? Green, of course. Right, now for our background. The top stripe is yellow. And then, ooh, I like this colour. It's pink. Next, let's do, yay, orange. Tell me, what colour is this? Blue, that's right, well done. And finally, my favourite, purple. Great job. And you learned all the colours too. Woohoo! Hello friends! Today we're going to learn how to draw fruits. That's right. What's your favourite fruit? I love cherries, so I'm going to start with those. 2 cherries side by side. It looks almost like a heart shape, but a bit rounder. A little bit of shine, some stems and leaves. That was easy. Now, some long shapes for bananas. We're doing a bunch, so 3 in a row. Next, it's an apple. A little bit like cherries with a little dent in the bottom too. And of course, much bigger. And a pear shape. We all know what a pear shape looks like. Is that right? And a slice of watermelon. That's right. So you've got a curvy bottom and a triangular top. Some seeds. Last but not least, we're going to draw a bunch of grapes, starting with the ziggy-zaggy leaf and the stem, and then lots of circles side by side, layering it like so. And there you have it. Time to paint. Ooh, green first. We're going to paint the leaves of our cherries. And red. Do you like cherries? Me too! Lovely. Next is going to be the bananas. Yellow, because they're going to be nice and ripe bananas. Have you ever tried having banana with honey? It's amazing, especially in a sandwich. Round for the ends of our bananas and the stem. Now green for our apple leaf. And red for our apple. Of course, we can get apples in varying colours, so you can choose what colour you'd like yours to be, but we're doing a nice red juicy apple. There. Time to paint our pear leaf. And we're using a lighter green for the pear itself. Carefully painting in between the black border. And it's done. There you go. Red next for the main part of our watermelon. Ooh, delicious. I love eating these on a hot summer's day. And green for the rim. Last but not least, we're going to do our lovely purple bunch of grapes. And grapes come in different colours too. Red, black, green, light, dark. So you can pick and choose your favourite ones. I like the dark ones because they are the sweetest. One more to colour. And now we do the leaf. What a lovely leaf it is too. you go. If you've enjoyed drawing and colouring these fruits, you can have a go at home. Why don't you try pausing the video to learn one at a time? Good luck!
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!